Oh my gosh, guys, as you can see, I have the Pokemon Go spoofer on my device. This is an insane modded version of the game. It gives you a joystick, you can see nearby Pokemon, you can teleport, you can increase your speed. It is super cool. There's a whole list of options, guys. I just want to show you over here. As you can see, there's a ton of options. If I go over the settings, we can change so much stuff. So we've got like our speed, as I was talking about before. You can actually go ahead and change this, guys, which is insane. You can do a lot of crazy stuff, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and down As once this is done, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the settings app if you're on iPhone, guys. And what you need to do, guys, is go down to the general section. So you see general, and once you're in there, there's going to be an option, guys, called background app refresh, and you just want to make sure that background app refresh is turned on, because if this is turned off, guys, you're not going to be able to go ahead and download the Pokemon Go spoofer. So just make sure that background app refresh is set to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data. It really does not matter. And then, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and just follow along with me. So there's one more setting, guys. It's in battery, and basically this thing called low power mode, which reduces background activity. If you turn it on, your battery percentage will turn yellow. So make sure low power mode is turned off, guys, because otherwise this will not work. And the final thing, guys, is down in the App Store section. This is like just a basic thing, but just make sure in the App Store section there's an option called automatic downloads, which allows all apps to download. So just make sure that this is turned on. It should be turned on, but just make sure that it's turned on. So, guys, once you've done all this stuff, you're now I'm going to go ahead and delete it just so I can show you how to do this from the very beginning, guys. So yeah, once you do that, you need to go to the website apktime.net. This is the only website where you can download this on your device. Now once you're there, you want to find the Pokemon Go spoofer, and you want to go ahead, press it, and press the button that says start injection. Now what this is going to do, guys, the Pokemon Go spoofer has been downloaded onto my device. I can even go ahead and open it up just to show you it's the same one from the beginning of the video. So guys, this is super insane. Be sure to drop a comment down below, guys. Subscribe to the channel, as I'm going to be dropping a lot more content soon. This is just super cool. As you can see, we've got a joystick, all these options. It is super cool. So I'm going to be seeing you guys in a future video. Drop a comment below, share the video with your friends, share the website with your friends, get the word out, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in a future video. I'm going to be dropping a lot more Pokemon Go content. Peace out.